I want more glitter in my eyebrows, and I don't really know if this is gonna work, but I'm putting the Anastasia glitter adhesive on my eyebrows. I also want them to look kind of wild. Yeah, this is more like what I wanted. So there isn't a matte shade in this palette, so I'm not going to use one. I'm trying to really just stick to what I have. So I'm putting down for my transition shade Prismatic, and then I'm going to immediately go in with Borealis, shape out my corner and my crease. So I dipped into the wrong color by accident, so I guess I'm just going to put this under my eye. Oh, God. Fluorescent, you did me dirty. This looks actually really nice with these colors, so I'm not mad. But there is pigment in my eye. And I'm just going to like put this a little bit, like a halo effect almost, just to tie this together. That's looking nice. And add a little bit of highlight under here. I think that'll be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. So to blend this harsh line out, I'm using Magical. I'm going to drag some of this Magical pigment under my eye, back in with Prismatic, which is very sheer, and then in with Kaleidoscope. And now I'm taking Prismatic under my eye. Finally what you came for. Okay, so now I really need a highlight for my inner corner. I also kind of want to clean that up with a little bit of concealer or possibly just my beauty blender so that it's not traveling quite so far up onto the bridge of my nose. I shaped it out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do that under my eye as well. I'm just going in with a little mix of Kaleidoscope and Prismatic. And I'm conflicted. I really want to stick to this color palette of just pink and purple, so I think I'm going to use ombre with my finger, which is just this iridescent white, to highlight my inner corner. This is just some fluorescent to buff that crease out again. This pigment has traveled a little further up my brow bone than I would like, so again going in with some concealer and just cutting that away. This is going to be covered with other pigment. I just need that bright pink to be contained, so to speak. So I'm using Fenty's How Many Carats Diamond Balm just to like blend this out without adding more pink, because I know it's good for that. And then I'm also going to use some Kaleidoscope. I'm running so low on this. I use it in like every look. I need to buy more. Like the sun to the moon, and I feel sweeping when I touch your skin. My eyes are really twitchiness. The wide open space and leave the restricting area so that you can see how we explode like the lights in the dark, and how we glow like it will never be the truth of our minds that we forget. So let me tell you what I know if I can. You know I try, I never want to leave the Bible we've made, we'll recreate. You're my baby, and your sweet, sweet heart makes me crazy. Because I want more color on my face, I am going in with Prismatic. It's pretty loaded up on this brush, and I'm going to use it as a highlight. It kind of acts as like a blush and a highlight. Me up to the inglorious shadows of a craven, and if we fall we grow up like exponential assembly. I never thought that some craven can stand your mind and behaving, that you forgot the joy you breathed and all the times when we made it. We were the pink rose soldiers of the century of blissful. We were 1969, we were Jimmy and Janice. We are the prophets of the So my final touch for this look is going to be Undefeated by Fenty. If you have like a Barbie girl Legally Blonde pink, that would also look great with this, but I don't have one, so. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to recreate this look, be sure to send pictures and comment below. I would be so interested to see and hear everything that you guys have to say. This was such a fun look to create, so thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh my god. Never tested on animals until now.
Kidding.
This is not your toy. No, these are scary. These are bad. The pink rose soldiers of the century of blissful. We were 1969, we were Jimmy and Janice. We are the prophets of ourselves, we choose the way of dimension. We are caught up in the amount of the frenetic love tension. Hi everyone, this is the intro. I'm saying some stuff. I'm gonna check the lighting now.